Hello, in this video I am going to show you the align widget. So the align widget essentially allows you to have another child inside of it. It can be any widget. I'm going to use the text widget, but anything is fine. And it will align that relative to its parent, sort of. I don't want to use the word container because container, is a specific type of widget, but basically the widget that it's in. So if you add in a column or a row, the positioning will be slightly different compared to having it in a container, but the principle is the same and implementing it is basically the same. So to implement it, all we need to do is create a new child, and it is called align. And in here, we need to call a new child, and this is basically what we want to display. And I'm going to display text. I'm going to say hello world. And now to actually, so if I was to save this and it's hot reloaded, by default it's in the center. If we want to align it, we just do alignment colon, then alignment dot, and there's a few basic ones. So let's do bottom left. If I save it, it'll hot reload, and it is now in the bottom left of the parent container. If the parent container was like only this big, it would be roughly around about here. And it's pretty simple, that's all there is to it. You can do bottom center, bottom left, bottom right, center, which is smack bang in the middle, center left, center right, center left and right will be here and here. Center is the default. What else we got? We have the top center, top left, and top right. So like if we did top center, for example, you'll move up to here. That's really all the align widget allows you to do. It's really simple, but really powerful when you combine it with other widgets to create your user interface. If you have any questions, feel free to pop me a message. And as usual, I look forward to seeing you in the next video.